Hello everybody and welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be doing some off-road testing. We have the DSC Scarab here, and then we have a Track Fab Brawler with some lights on it. You know, it's got some lights. Then next up we have this little crawler here with, again, only two front lights. And let's just give these vehicles a little rev here. This thing's got like a little Abishu engine. This thing's got a mean V8. And then this thing, a meaner, louder V8. So, we're just going to go ahead and start off with the Scarab here. Ignore my crappy driving. I haven't been on the steering wheel in a few days, so as you can tell, I have been doing some FNAF content. Which I do have a new video that's supposed to come out soon. So we're just gonna be really like testing. This map isn't like the best for testing, like for tough testing, but just like general off-roading. This thing does amazing. I mean, especially for this map, it's amazing. This thing is like built for this purpose. I don't think this map really has any rock crawling. I think it's just all trail riding. So let's see if we can do some like full speed, you know, sends. Jump here. That's a pretty big hill, especially up here at the top. Woohoo! Sideways. I like this hill right here, the way it like dips down like that on the passenger side. I'll just go ahead and coast down this hill. Put it in second, just in case. Alright, we'll take a right up here. We're just gonna do like some random trails and circle around the map a little bit, and eventually get back to the harbor in each one. So this one's definitely the quickest. I'm gonna see if I can find one more hill. Hopefully it's gonna be like a hard one, and then we can go back to the swan. These don't look very hard. They look pretty easy. Especially for this thing. This thing's definitely meant for like quick off-roading, that's for sure. We definitely got some tall hills here. Oh crap. I almost failed there. Going into a tree because I can't see where I'm going. Okay, let's go ahead and go down this one. Okay, this one. These are steep. I want to try this one now. I'm gonna go right back up this one and come down the other one. Because this is a hard hill. Actually, never mind, it's not really that hard. Okay, I think we're almost back at the harbor, where we can grab our next vehicle and test it out. First time in third. I think I missed the harbor. Someone tells me I missed the harbor. Oh yeah, this is the trail right before, I think. I'm not sure. I don't. Okay, I guess we'll drive down the beach. Yeah, there's the harbor over there. Don't get stuck. Okay, there we go. We found our way back. I'll just put my done vehicles on the pier. Right here. Wrong button. There we go. Next up, we have the Track Fab Brawler here. Lab Boy. I think this one's a paddle, yeah. This thing also leans to the right a lot, by the way. I guess we'll try to go the same way, even though I have no idea which way I went. This thing's definitely got a little more force feedback, that's for sure. Probably got some bigger tires on the front. The only thing I don't like about the V8s in this game is that they sound like they're working so hard just to do nothing. Or at least the loud ones do. Yeah, this thing's a workout to move around these trails. Oh, I found my way back to this trail. That's funny. Okay. I don't have a clutch on this thing, by the way. This is like a manual matic transmission. That's why I have to use the paddles, is because this shifter doesn't work with the manual matics, whatever. I could just shift to neutral, but I don't feel like it. I guess I'll just follow the arrows. See if we can find some hard hills to go up. That might have been a good way to go, I don't know. We'll go up this one. I don't know how tough it'll be, but we're doing it. In the trees. This one was easy. Okay. It bounced. There we go, we got it straight up. Oh yeah, easy. Got this in the bag. honestly, not really surprised with this thing. Big tires and the massive engine. It should be able to go a lot of places I want it to go. Now, if I could just see what I'm doing. First person would probably be better, but I like to see the vehicles, how they articulate and stuff like that. I'll go this way. Oh, I just popped my knuckles. Down the hill we go. This would be a good hill to go up. It's nice and big and tall. Let's see. Let's go with this one. Oh, low bridge. Oh, that branch almost touched the top of this thing. Definitely like to pick all the easy hills to go up, that's for sure. I haven't found a hard one, really. This thing's just so tight on the steering. It's crazy. Ah! Tree. I wonder how much damage I'm doing, or have done. Let's see. Am I stuck? Oh yeah, leg spike. I am stuck. Let's see if I could just use the winch. Come on out of there. Okay. Easy down. Okay, let's just ignore this lag spike. Just take the light off. It looks like a little tadpole or something. Just okay, just a little bit of easy winching. Took care of that. You are weird. Okay, where do I think I am? Left or right? I think we're gonna go right. I think I'm still past the harbor. Hey, look at that. Good guess. I was gonna try to neutral all the way in here. Let's see if I can do this without getting in the water. Alright. Let's go ahead and shut it off. On to the last one. A lot skinnier steering. We'll see. I think. Oh, this one's a manual. I still don't like the freaking Ibishu engine that it's got in it. Steering feels a lot better. Yeah, third gear is too much for this tiny little engine. I am full throttle with this engine, by the way. This thing's a piece of crap. It's powerless. Let me see if I can get a little more power. Hold on. This thing's a powerless piece of junk. Let me just roll down the hill real quick. It'd be cool if I could roll all the way back to the harbor. I'm gonna try. No brakes? Okay, little brakes. Doesn't look like it's gonna happen. Let's give it a little boost. That's all we got. Alright. Nope. Let's give it a little more. This thing's about as worthless as like a derby car. You know, third gear. Okay. Let's get something with a little more power. I can't believe this thing is that worthless. Like, the Ivex crawler is so weird. Like, this thing, the discount tire one, it's alright. But it's... Here, let's try this one. This one's got a bigger engine in it. This one shows the bigger engine, but it surely ain't that good. Let's go with the U4. I don't know what the U4 is. This thing looks pretty cool. Pretty mean sounding idle. I don't like any of the liveries though, so we're just gonna get rid of that. And we're definitely... Alright, there. Back to normal. Oh, and we got a light up thing. Okay. Yeah, this is the transmission with the crappy gearbox. It's crappy because it doesn't let me use the gears. And it's only 3-speed. Like, look, it's only 3-speed. There, now I think this is a fair test. So we'll start out being, like, slow. Like we have normally. Go this way. Second gear. Alright, let's see if we can come down here. Oh, that thing. There we go. My antenna's messed up, but that's okay. Alright, let's see if we can, like, go back this way. Wait! I'm gonna see if I can find some actual, like, hard trails. But as you just seen, this thing flipped on that trail that literally both the other ones made it down, so... So we're going down a pretty weird trail. I think these ones are pretty hard, so I'm gonna try going up this one. The one right to my right. See if we can make a U-turn. I don't know which one we just came down, but I'm gonna go up this one with the trees. wheels. Woohoo! Yeah, that was a good hill. Oh! I gave it too much gas. Well, we definitely had to flip this one the most times. That's for sure. It's very flippy. And that one was my fault completely, totally though. See how first person looks. Not too bad. Oh. I don't like it though. Hood view. Okay, let's see if we can go back. Oh, tree in the road. Alright, cool. I'm just... Honestly, it's my fault for flipping this thing so many times. Hey, rock crawling. Okay, the next hill I see to the right, we're going up it, and trying to get back to the harbor now. Woohoo, I popped a wheelie. I think I've been up this hill 1,000 times. Different way though. There's the harbor right there. Oh It's honestly just a trend with this truck now. Come on, flip over. Come on. Flip over. Wrong way. I just ripped something off. I'm not sure what it is, but I keep ripping things off. There we go. Okay, going back down there. I think this thing's just crappy. I can drive just fine, it's just this thing's crappy. Oh, fuck. Here I am trying to shift again. that'll do it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one, where we will bring these rigs and maybe some more on a couple crawl courses on Utah Extra. And I will see you then. Peace. This is just where you belong, okay? Oh, even better, you buried yourself.